BCC Glitch After Effects Tutorial Transition. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To start the BCC Glitch transition, open your browser and search for After Effects. Then open the program once it shows up. When the workspace loads, select New Composition so you can set up the place where the edit will happen. After the new composition is made, go to the project bar on the left side of the screen. Right-click inside that area so a menu appears. In the menu that shows up, choose Import, then select File inside the Import section. A file browser window will appear, and from there you can look for the footage you want to use. Once you find it, import your footage into the project. After the footage is imported, drag and drop it into the timeline, so it becomes part of the composition. When the footage is in the timeline, right-click the timeline area again. A menu will appear, and you need to select New from the options. Inside the New section, choose Adjustment Layer so you can add effects without changing the raw footage. Once the adjustment layer is added, go to the Effects and Presets panel on the right side of the workspace. In the search bar, type BCC Video Glitch to find the effect you need. After you see it in the list, drag and drop the effect onto the adjustment layer. This adds the glitch effect to the layer above the footage, which lets the transition show without affecting the original clip. Once the effect is applied, play the timeline to see how it looks. This lets you check if the glitch movement works the way you want. If the timing or motion does not feel right, you can change the settings inside the Effect Controls panel. These settings let you adjust the strength, speed, distortion, and other parts of the glitch movement so the transition looks closer to what you want. Keep adjusting until the result matches your style. When everything looks fine, play it again to make sure the effect moves smoothly. This completes the basic process for adding the BCC glitch transition in After Effects. Starting from opening the program, preparing the composition, importing footage, adding an adjustment layer, applying the BCC effect, and then changing the settings until the final result feels right.